kind of have an interesting one with this GMC Denali. I replaced the transmission lines on it before, so happy with the work. Now they want something else looked at. Before I do that though, we gotta talk about something. We gotta figure out how to fix this. Up in your corner you should see most of you not subscribed, which, you know, that's gonna happen, but hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. You know, that's how you keep these channels growing. You know, a lot of us spend a lot of time making these videos and saving you, the viewer, lots of money. And trust me, filming's not easy. Filming kind of sucks. Take a 30-minute job, turns it into 45 minutes to an hour. But we do it so we can help out other ones like you, and help us out by hitting that like button. Subscribe helps grow our channel. More views equals more for us, which means more money we can save you. Now that that spiel's out of the way, got the scan tool. It's got an ABS problem, I think. His complaint is anytime he plugs in his ABS sensors, his braking starts getting messed up. I don't know exactly what is he experiencing, but he says he unplugged his driver's side. So I'm gonna find it, plug it back in so we can drive it and see how it's, you know, not responding. I was popping it up right there, and that's the sensor right there. It is now plugged in, but he did unplug it. So I'm gonna check the other side real quick. Okay, so that side is plugged in. So let's take it for a spin and see if I can replicate his pulsating brake pedal. And his port doesn't work, so that's never a good thing. And then there's a lot of electrical tape down here. So, of course, now we got bigger issues. Check that out, we now have power. Someone's back down there playing with wires. One was broken off. So, now that that hurdle's out of the way, let's continue on. Kind of off topic, but the bird taking a bath is pretty cool. Okay, back to business. All right, so I've not really gotten anywhere with this. So he is right, I took it for a test drive. Again, I don't know where I ended this last part of the video, but I took it for a test drive, and once you plug them both in, you hear that noise. And you know, when I unplug them, you don't hear a noise anymore. And I couldn't get this port to work. After I got power to it, fixing that wire, I still can't get it. So, I don't know. Let's go figure out, let's go look at some fuses. Underneath the dash, here's the way. This one's the 6 liter. I'm sure it's the same 6.0. So I'm sure everything else is the same. I'm looking for like a cigarette lighter radio. Oh, right there. 15A. And what I like about this right here is, can you spot the difference? And again, I don't know if there's anything wrong with it. I'm just saying, I've seen this so many times where, okay, I'll tell you the difference. So, this is your 15 amp. It looks different than every single 15 amp, which probably means this one has been bad in the past. And, moment of truth. Focus, it is blown, look at that. Let's get a new one. Okay, got a new one in there. You guys know how to put in a fuse. I believe you. Yeah, like I said, I got power now, but I couldn't get that, so it must have been that wire. Hopefully. So there, turn that on. Let's plug this in right here. Can we get the blue? Can we get the blue? Oh, I heard it. It's doing something. Okay, it's in there. Let's just wow, look at that. We're communicating now. Okay, so yeah, there you go. Your port ain't working. That's something you can try. I mean, check your wires, give it a nice visual inspection, and then if that doesn't work, then go ahead and check those fuses. Yeah, it's usually an accessory. I thought it was radio, but apparently I was wrong. It's accessory, cigarette lighter, whatever your manufacturer calls it. And here we are live now. So no codes found.